A football coin is an exclusive cryptocurrency for the soccer lovers. It is an ERC20 token based on Ethereum blockchain. And the best part of this token, FUCO, is basically that the total supply of the football coin is only and only 11 million. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to share such a great thing regarding the football coin, and that is basically the partner program. So how you are going to earn each and everything in the partner program, I am going to elaborate each and everything in this video. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding any new crypto, any ICO and IEO. So first of all, I will tell you that how you can easily sign up on the main platform of the partner, where you can sign up first of all, and then after that one you have to share your own referral link. And if anyone is going to buy the FUCO coin with the help of your referral link, every day you are going to get number of BTC entirely free. It's a program for partners where you can win the 10% of the commissions in Bitcoin and daily payments. That is such a great thing regarding this one, the whole project of the partner. First of all, you have to sign up on the main platform. You have to enter your email address, then your password, then you'll be able to sign up on the platform. Then basically they are going to send you an email. You have to confirm that one, and then you'll be able to see each and everything on the main dashboard. Here you can see the 10% of each completed sale pre-tax. Then you'll be able to collect your own BTC directly, and you'll be able to also withdraw your BTC directly in your personal wallets. Here you can see first of all the main overview, and secondly the payment history. In the payment history, every day, for example, if you are going to share your own referral link and your friend is going to buy the FUCO coin, for example, with $100, then definitely every day you are going to get your payment, for example $10. Like this it will work. So it is such a great thing. I will show you something more, how you can generate your own referral link. That is such a great thing. First of all, you have to click on the creatives, then you'll be able to show your own referral link, and then you can easily basically share this referral link. Here comes your own referral link, and if you are going to share your referral link, then definitely anyone, if for example if anyone is going to buy the FUCO coin, then you'll be able to collect somehow good, you can say, the commission directly in your wallet. And you can every day, for example, if you are going to share your link, okay, after this video, then you can basically see each and everything in the payment history, and every day you have the chance to withdraw your own BTC directly in your own wallet. So that is such a great thing regarding this whole platform, the football coin, and this basically the partner program is such a great thing at this time, and you have the chance to make number of BTC every day only by sharing your own link. And also in my previous video I told you regarding the airdrop, and still the airdrop is ongoing at this time. You just have to click on the airdrop, and then this new page will basically open in front of you, where you have to complete all the things. First of all, you have to join them on the Telegram, on the Twitter, on the Instagram, and then at the end you have to enter your Ethereum wallet address on their Telegram group, and then you'll be eligible to get 3 FUCO coin. It means $3. So that is a great thing, and right now this token is also available on 3 exchanges. And also you have the chance, the best chance which I already missed, is basically you have the chance to buy this coin, FUCO coin, with 13 different crypto coins. So that is such a great thing, in which you have the option of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, Tether, Monero, Dash, Zcash, Binance coin, among others. So that is a great thing regarding the FUCO coin, football coin. And as I told you, basically only and only 11 million supply is over there. So that is a great thing regarding this token. And if you want to read something more, you must have to check the white paper, because in white paper they elaborate each and everything. And here comes the entire roadmap of the FUCO token, and they basically tell each and everything in the roadmap, that how it will work, and when basically you have the chance to hold your own FUCO tokens in the personal wallet of the football coin. So this is basically the whole video, and right now I will share the link of the partner program. As I told you, here comes the partner program, and you have the chance to generate maximum BTC every day only sharing by your link. Only you have to click on the creatives, and then basically your own referral link will appear over there, and you can share your referral link and make multiple BTC directly with it. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. I will share the link of the partner program basically, and then you can easily sign up on their main platform. Thanks a lot.